Good morning, everybody. So just a couple of minutes ago, I made this vegan cashew chocolate milkshake. It's super tasty, and this is how you make it. So everything you need for the cashew chocolate shake is like 5 ingredients. Basically, you start off with a couple of cashews, 3 tablespoons in total. Then ideally you have frozen banana. I've frozen these like the day before, and they are super ripe, so we make sure that we make a sweet chocolate cashew shake. I can show you how ripe the banana should look like, be like this, like with quite some black spots, and then it's actually super mega tasty. Next, around 3 teaspoons of chocolate powder, not the Nesquik kind of stuff, but actual chocolate powder. Then I'd suggest like a little dash of salt, like this. That should be enough. And last but not least, around 250 ml of milk. This is rice milk now, but soy milk would work, normal milk, cashew milk, and of course oat milk. I think I prefer it the most with oat milk. Alright, and in it goes. Now it's blending time. Alright, and there we have it. The chocolate cashew milkshake. Awesome stuff about it is it's vegan, high in protein, sweet, and probably my most favorite shake in 2018. Okay. Enjoy!